So, I'm playing Zombie Royale, and for some reason, I can't get a kill. I can't get a win. What do I do? Well, you already know. Let's do some duos. Ready up. Alright, man. Hopefully this dumbass is good at this game, because please. Let's go wherever he goes, I guess. Where's my teammate? Did he leave? Yo, you gotta be kidding. Oh. What? Is that his legit name? Okay, um, did he? Nope. Okay, my guy, let's jump. Oh shit. Where are you going, my nigga? How did he get over there? I'm out. Teammate, why didn't you land with me? My mom is still having problems. Good job, man. Oh shit. Bro, I'm not ready for the fight. Oh my god. Thanks for being a good teammate, Harry. I mean, you, whatever your name is, you're. Duos is not okay, man. Let's try to hit 2 minutes live. Let's play again. Deadass, come on, man. It's all the people I have. Anyways, oh shoot, my teammate is over here. I'm gonna follow my teammate because why not? We're teammates, right? Oh my god. We out, brother. Get the shit, brother. Alright, we out, brother. Oh, a pump over here. I'm gonna grab this pump. It's like my. Oh, grab that. There you go. Damn, this nigga's a beast. Beast number 2, my nigga. Let's fucking go. Holy shit. Grab that pump if you like. Okay, my team is all over. I'm always gonna follow my teammate. You already know. Teammate, don't go out there without me. Alright, we out, brother. Wow, you're just gonna drink a shield in front of me. Okay. That's totally fine, dog. Oh. Wow. Man, what a nice teammate. I never knew this, dog. Hey, what's up, dog? What was that for? 29 people left. Will we get this dub in a duo? Because oh no, dog. We have a little bit of a situation because my shield is getting away, and you're all the way. Okay, there you go. And I believe the circle is legit right there. Why us? Come on, it's not my fault, bro. It took like all my freaking shield, dog. Teammate, where are you, dog? Just come over here, buddy. I'm coming. Whew. Really? Wow, man. This guy is like legit the best teammate I ever had. Damn, this nigga actually. Oh! Let's go! Let's get it. An elimination, baby. Let's go. Oh my nigga, damn. 15 people left. 15 people left. 11 people left. 11 people left. Oh, let me get that scar. One right here. One right here. No! Please. Please kill him. Please kill him. Please kill him. Please kill him. Please. Teammate, please don't be like this. Come on. Ah! This guy's a pervert. Or something, my nigga. Oh, fuck. You'll never catch up to me, Bill! Oh, no. See ya! Damn it. Mr. Beast, you can do this. Come on, Mr. Beast. Carry me. 5th place. Damn it. Continue. 3 minutes. A kill. Let's go. Let's play again. See who we can find. Daredevil. Where do you want to go, dog? Where's my teammate? Teammate, where do you go now? Oh boy. Oh, my teammate's right here. Ooh, Rocky. Well, thank you, dog. Where is it? I don't know. I'll take another one, dog. Thank you for that. No ammo. Okay, bandages. Fun. I'll use it. No problem. You'll just take all the ammo. Fine. No problem. Guess we gotta go. Where's my teammate now, bro? He's looting the whole place. Come over here, buddy. Come over here, buddy. Caught him. You thought. Ooh, a shotty. Yo, you have like a shield for me, bro? I really need it. Oh, wow. You actually left some for me. What? Nice of you, buddy. Damn. Some people are the best in this game. Oh shit, my teammate needs help. Need help, bro? I can help you. Nigga. Oh my god. Help me. Nigga. Yo, I swear to God, if you actually make this, thank you so much, dog. I'm good, bro. I'm good. Damn. Let me push this up a little bit. There you go. Oh shit, my teammate. Woo! I'm sorry, I'm going in shoddy. I'm going in for the shoddy. Watch out behind us, bro. No! Come on, bro. Oh, boy. No, watch out right there. Let's go. Heal me. Let's go, come on. 9 people left. Let's go. 9 people left. Let's go. What just fall? Oh, my. Oh, boy. Teammate. Huh? 7 people left, bro. If we can actually a dub in this. Damn. No, please. If you kill him, bro. Uh-oh. For the police! Ah. Damn it. And I gotta kill again. Let's go, level 2, baby. Let's do one more to see if we can get a dub this time. Challenge, play 3 rounds. Okay. A golden apple. Rare emo. Let's equip this. Nope. We have to go with an ad. Nope. Why, man? There you go. Alright, man. Can we probably add him? Daredevil, I need to add you. Friend request, come on, man. Add me, we could do this shit again. Come on. This is my friend. Alright, man. Let's do one more round. If we don't win this, well, it's alright, man. It's alright. Okay, man. Let's do this shit one more time. Laser. And I also thought it was laser beam. This dude looks trash. Like me. Basically. Let's drop wherever he wants to drop, I guess, guys. What would you like to drop, man? Tell me. Okay. Somewhere. Where's my teammate? Did he take... Oh my god. Nigga. Come over here, buddy. I know you wanna die. Come over here, buddy. Oh yeah! Oh, son of a bitch. Nigga. Caught him. You thought. You actually thought, my nigga. Like, you actually thought you could just make it out. My teammate, bro. You better... Where are you, by the way? Where's my teammate? My nigga, wait. Oh shit, is that actually me? Nigga, ask me. Oh, this nigga bitch over here. I bet. I'm gonna go to the circle then, I guess. Wait, hello. I've already got scars, so I'm good. There's someone else in here. Yep, there's someone around here. My teammate, is he still alive? Yes, he's coming to me. Let's freaking go. Come over here, bro. We need to be together. No homo. Come on. Niggas under. Oh my god. Laser. Come on, man. Bro, can you wait for me, my nigga? Nigga, bitch, right over here. Oh, there you are. What's up, dog? Ooh. What if I take that? If you let me. Oh boy. This is not the perfect time for this. Did you just kill him? No! Laser! What are you doing? What are you doing, dog? Oh my god. Well. Let's go back, I guess.